everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. My name is Ishita and in today's video I've got pop art for you. And it's a very nice colorful art and I really hope you guys like it. And if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell icon so you'll know whenever I'll update a new video. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for the material, we will require a sketchbook. I am again using the same Aero sketchbook that I used in my last video. It is a A5 size sketchbook and we'll be needing a pencil, eraser and brush pens. That is it for today's video. I'll link the material down in the description box if you want to buy it. So for today's video, I'll be sketching a lady with the sunglasses. I'll suggest to use very light pencil because it is easy to erase and does not spoil your page. So first I'll start with the drawing. You can follow the guide as I am doing. It is a very easy sketch. If you guys follow the instructions, you'll make it very easily. Guys, I have been obsessing over pop art from a very long time now and I wanted to share it with you guys. I just hope you guys like it. And I have this booklet that was given from my best friend to me. In that booklet, I make all the pop arts I like. I have uploaded a few on my YouTube channel, so make sure you guys check it out. And if you guys want me to share this whole booklet with you, I'll make another YouTube video showing you the whole booklet. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to upload it. So after I was done sketching, I gave highlights to her hair, as you can see. I have also given different highlights on some other places so that it is easy for me to shade on the areas where I want it. So after I was done with the sketching, I started coloring my pop art. So for the start, I have started coloring her glasses. I have colored it red as it is a pop art and we can use as bright colors as possible. As you can see, I have given highlights to her glasses. So for the highlights, I'll double layer or triple layer the colors so that it gets darkened in the area where I want it. Next, I have painted the sky inside her glasses, the sky and the water. So the water I have painted with the same color, but I have used it in triple layer colors so that it looks more darker. Next, I colored her hair. So I tried using orange for the highlights, but I didn't like it and ended up coloring brown. And then I did the outlining. So in the pop art, it is very important to do the outlining. So I did the outlining with my black, of course, my favorite black color. Either you can use black brush pen or you can use an old eyeliner for the outlining. I love this eyeliner for the sketching. It works better than brush pen. I can totally say that. So as you can see, I've outlined all my sketches with the black and the places where I want to color black. Next, I did her lip. Again, I used the same technique for the lips for the shading, as you can see. So for the background, I am using orange and yellow color. You can use whatever you want. As I always say, it is totally your choice, whatever you wanted and however you want it. Okay, so after I was done with it, then I painted the tree and I gave detailing to her nose and the beach area inside her sunglasses. And lastly, again I gave the detailing to the drawing using my favorite eyeliner. So this was the final result. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell icon so you'll get updated whenever I update another video. Also, if you guys want to buy my resin art, I'll link it down in the description box below and you can contact me on Instagram for it. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.